Good morning everyone. How are you all? Yes. Now I hope you have understood the pie chart lesson. The beginning of the lesson I have explained you in the previous lesson. So now it's time for the exercise. Exercise number 24A. Question number first. The monthly income of a family is rupees 28,800. The monthly expenditure of the family on the various items is given below. Okay. एक फैमिली है जिनका मंथली इनकम कितना है 28,800. द मंथली एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ द फैमिली ऑन द वेरियस आइटम्स इज गिवन बिलो. तो इसमें से वो किस में कहाँ कितना खर्च करते हैं ये हमें बताया है. सो नाउ वी नो द टोटल ऑफ दिस. द टोटल ऑफ ऑल दिस वैल्यू इज 28,800. बराबर. तो अब हम इसको फॉर्मूला में पुट करेंगे. अब फॉर्मूला हमें पता है. फॉर्मूला क्या है? ये वाली वैल्यू दैट इज 8,000 अपॉन ये वाली वैल्यू मतलब टोटल नंबर 28800 इंटू 360. ये फॉर्मूला है हमारा. यस. अब व्हाट वी विल बी डूइंग, वी विल बी रिड्यूसिंग दिस वैल्यूज. ओके. सो वी विल बी reducing, we will be cutting this 2 zeros and we will be dividing it. Okay. First we will do it by 2. So this is 144. This is 40. This is 72. This is 20. Then we have 36 and 10. Then we have 18 and 5. Now what we will be doing for this also. Then 18 will be divided by 2. Then again 9 and this will be 180. 180 we will be cutting it by 9. So this will be 1 and this will be 20. So 5 into 20 is equal to what? 100. So the division of rent is 100. Now for food. So we have returned the value of food upon the total income of the family and the 360. So now we will be cutting these 2 zeros. Then we will be dividing it by 2. 144 and then we have 180 here, 72, 90, 36, 45. Then we will be dividing it again by 2. Then we have this 1 and 18 and we have 54 here. Again we will be dividing by 9. So here we have 2 and here we have 5. Then 1 and 54, it will be 27. So 27 into 5 is, so 27 into 5 is 135. Okay. So here we get the value of food. Now next is clothing. So now we will be doing clothing. So what is the value of clothing? 5600 upon 2880 into 360 because this is our formula. So how we will be solving it? Yes, we will be cutting these 2 zeros. Then 144, 180, 72, 90, 36, 45. Then 18 and we have to divide this 56 now by 2. So we get 28. Then we will be reducing it by 9. So we get here 2 and we get here 5. Now this by 2, here we get 1 and we get 14. So 14 5s are 14 into 5 is 70. So we get the value of 70. We get value of clothing as 70. Understood? Yes. Now what's next? It's education. So what is the value of education? It's 3600. So 3600 upon 2880 because this is the total income into 360. So we have reduced this. Now we will be dividing it. So again 144, then 180, then 72, 90, 36, 45. Now we will be doing it by 2. Here we get 18, then here we get 18 as well. Now here 9, here also 9. 1 and 1. So our answer is 1 into 45 is 45. So we get 45, the value of education. Now savings. Now how many he is saving? He is saving 800 rupees. 800 is his saving. So 800 upon 2800 into 360. So we will be reducing this 144. We will be doing it by 2. So 4, then 72, then 2, then 72 will be divided as 36 and this will be 1. 36 ones are and this will be 10s are. So the saving will be 10%. Understood? These are the values. So what are the savings in this percentage? Rent is 100%. Then food will be 135. Food is 135. Clothing 70. Clothing is 70. Education is 45. Saving is 10. Okay, so this is how we get the values. Now we will be doing it on the pie chart. We are going to make pie chart. So what we are doing is we are taking protractor and first we will point this 100%. Rent is 100%. So I have made this circle. I have took this radius of 5 centimeter and making this as a center. We will be making the percentage. We will be making a pie of 100% because rent is 100%. So here's the first one. This is 100%. Then taking this as a base, we will be making of food. So I have taken this as a base. So what is the value of food? It's 135. So we will be marking 135. So here it's 135. So this is 135. Then we have clothing. Taking this as a center, we will be marking 70. So here it's 70. Then we have education as 45. So we will be taking this as a center and we have marked 45 here. Okay, so here this is 45. And taking this as a center, we have 10% as our, here we get the value. This is 10%. Understood? This is 100% for rent, 135 for food, 70 for clothing, 45 for education and 10 for savings. Understood? मतलब क्या हुआ, इस पाई चार्ट का कंक्लूजन क्या है कि वो फैमिली अपने सेविंग्स में से 135 फूड के लिए स्पेंड करती है, 100 रेंट देती है, 70% क्लोथिंग पे एक्सपेंड करती है, 45 एजुकेशन पे और 10% उनकी सेविंग होती है. अंडरस्टूड? दिस इज द फर्स्ट सम. Now if you want to check that this sum is right or wrong, what you have to do? You have to do the total of this. So 100 plus 135 plus 70 plus 45 plus 10 is what? Let's see. 5 plus 5, 10. So 1 carat. Now 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 4, 15 and 15 plus 1, 16. So 1 carat and this is 3. जब हमारा इन सब का टोटल अगर 360 आ रहा है, दैट मीन्स आवर सम इज राइट. Understood? Yes. Now second sum you have to do it by your own. We will be doing the third one. Now let's start. Now what is the question? Various modes of transport used by 1260 students is given in given school are given below. मतलब एक स्कूल में 1260 स्टूडेंट्स है और वो 1260 स्टूडेंट्स कैसे अपने मोड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज करते हैं उसका हमें पाई चार्ट बनाना है. So let's see. School bus. Now what is the value of school bus? 350. So 350, the total students 1260 into 360. Okay. Now we will be cutting these two numbers and we will be solving it. Now divided by 3, it's 42. Now this will be 120. Now we are doing it by 2. 21, 60. Now we are dividing it by 7. So this will be 3 and this will be 5. Now dividing this will be 1 and this will be 20. So 5 into 20 is equal to 100%. So 100 is the value of school bus. Now private bus. 245 upon 1260 into 360. We will be reducing this. Again we are doing it by 3. This will be 42. This will be 12. This will be, we are doing it by 3 again. So this will be 40 and this will be 4. Now this will be 7 and this will be 2. Now we will be divide 245 divided by 7. So what is the answer? 21. Here we get 3. 35. Here we get 5. Okay. So this will be 1 and this will be 35. So 35 into 2 is equal to 70. So value of private bus is 70. Next is bicycle. 210 upon 1260 into 360. Now we have reduced these numbers. Here we will be writing 42. Here we will be writing 120. Then 21. Then 60. Then we will be doing it by 7. Or we can do it by 1. So this will be 1 and this will be also 1. So what is the value? 1 into 60 is 60. Understood? Yes. Now the value of rickshaw is 175. So 175 upon 1260 upon 360. We are reducing this value and we will be dividing it by 3. This will be 42. This will be 12. Now we are doing it by 2. This will be 21. This will be 6. Now if we will be doing it by 3. This will be 7 and this will be 2. Now we are dividing this by 7. This will be 1 and 7 25 is 175. So this will be 25. So 25 into 2 is, yes, 25 into 2 is 50. And on foot, now how many students are coming? They are 280. So 280 into upon 1260 into 360. We are reducing these values. Then we are dividing it by 3. So here we will be getting 42. Here we will be getting 120. We are doing it by 2. We will be getting 21. Here we will be getting, we are doing it by 3. We are doing it by, 2. So here we will be getting 60. Now we will be dividing this by 3. This will be 7. This will, not 7, sorry, we will be doing it by 7. We are doing this by 3. So this will be 7 and this will be 20. Now divide 280 by 7. This will be 1 and this value will be 40 will be the value. So 40 into 20. Here it will be 2. So 40 into 2 is 40 into 2 is 80. So we get the answer. Okay, now we will be writing all the values. So students by school bus, how many students? 100 students by school bus. Then by private bus 70. Then by bicycle 60. Then by rickshaw 50, and on foot we have 80. So now we will be putting this value into the pie chart. Now let's make a pie chart. Now taking this as a center, we have to make 100. We have to mark 100. So taking this as a center, we will be marking 100. So this is the 100. So the 100. Then we have 70. Taking this line as a center, we are marking 70. This is 70. Then by taking this as a center, we are marking 60. So this is 60. Okay. Then by taking this as a center, we are making 50. So this will be our 50. And last one is 80. So by taking this center, let's check if our answer is right. Yes, our answer is right. We are taking this as a center and we have got the 80. Okay. So we have 100 here, 70, 60, 50 and 80. Now let's see our answer is correct or not. We have to do the total. So 0, 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18, and 18 plus 8, yes, 18 plus 8 is 26. So 6 we have written and 2 carrots, so 360. Our total is 360. That means this sum is correct. Now fourth you have to do by yourself, you have understood. Now we are doing the fifth one. The data on religion wise division of 1080 workers of a factory are given below. Hindu 450, Muslim 270, Sikh 255, Christian 105. Now we will be solving it. Now let's solve. 450 upon 1080 into 360. Okay. So now what we are doing, how we will be doing this? We will be reducing the values. Now let's start. We have reduced these values and we will be dividing it by 3. So here we get, if we divide 108 by 3, what is the answer? We get 36. Then 12. Then 12 again, and here we get 4. Then we are dividing it by 2. So here we get 6 and 2. If we divide this by 3, here we get 1 and here we get 150. Okay. Now here we are dividing it by 2. So here the value is 6. Now we will be dividing this 6 by 2 again. So here we get 3 and this will be 1, and here we are doing it by, we have reduced this and we get 150. So answer is 150. Now Muslim. For Muslim 270 upon 1080 into 360. We are reducing this and here we get 36. We are dividing it by 3. Here we get 12. Then we get 6 here. We get 12 here. And then we get 4. Again we are dividing this 12 by 2's. So here we will be getting 6. Here we will be getting 2. Again by 2. Here 3 and here 1. Now we will be dividing 270 by 3. So here we will be getting 1 and here we will be getting 90. So the value is 90. Now Sikh. 270. Now Sikh is 255. So 255 upon 1080 into 360. Now this will be, we are reducing this, we will be cutting the zeros. So 108 divided by 3. So answer is 36. Here it will be 12. Here again it will be 12. Here it will be 4. Here we are doing it by 2 now. So this will be 6. This will be 2. This will be 1 and this will be 3. Now we will be dividing 255 by 3. So this will be 1 and this will be 85. So the answer is 85. Got it? Yes. Now last one. Christian. 105. 105 upon 1080 into 360. We will be cutting this. Now 108 we will be dividing it by 3. This will be 36. This will be 12. This will be again 12. This will be 4. This will, now 12 we are dividing it by 2. So this will be 6. This will be 2. Again by 2. This will be 1 and this will be 3. Now 3 divided by 105. So this will be 1 and this will be 35. So the answer is 35. So 150 for Hindu, 90 for Muslim, 85 for Christian, Sikh and 35 for Christian. Now let's do the total of this. This will be 0. 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 3, 16, 17, 18, 18 plus 8, 18 plus 8, 26. So this will be 6 and this will be 2. So answer is 360. Now let's put it into the pie chart. Now first is 150. So we will be making this 150 by taking this as a center. So this will be 150. We have made 150 here. Now taking this as the center, we will be making 90. This is 90. Then taking this as a center, we will be making 85. This is 85. And taking this as a center, let's see is whether this is 35 or not. Yes, it's exactly 35. So here we get the right answer. This is 150 for Hindu, 90 for Muslim, then we have 85 for Sikh, and we have 35 for Christian. Understood? Yeah, the total of all this is 360. That means this sum is correct. Understood? Yes. Now let's see the next one. Now let's see the next one. The following table gives the number of different fruits kept in a hamper. एक हैम्पर है फ्रूट्स का, उसमें मैंगोज, एप्पल, ऑरेंजेस, कोकोनट एंड पोमोग्रेनेट है. अब इसका टोटल हमें दिया नहीं है, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द टोटल ऑफ दिस फ्रूट. So 26 plus 30 plus 21 plus 5 plus 8. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, it's 12. And 12 plus 8, it's 20. So 20. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So 90 is the total. So 90 is our total. Now what we will be doing? 26 upon 90 into 360. Right? So we will be cutting this zeros, and we will be dividing directly by 9. So this will be 1 and this will be 4. So 26 into 4 is 4 6 are 24. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, 104. So the percentage is 104 degree. Now for apples, 30 upon 90 into 360. So this will be reduced. We are doing it 1 by 4. So 30 into 4 is, yes, 120. Now oranges, 21 upon 90 into 360. These zeros will be cut, 1 and 4. 21 into 4 is 84 degree. Okay, now coconuts. Coconuts are 5 in number. So 5 upon 90 into 360. We are reducing this 1 and this will be 4. So 5 4s are 20. Pomegranate. How many are pomegranates? There are 8. So 8 upon 90 into 360. This we are reducing it 1 by 4. 8 4s are, yes, 8 4s are 32. Now let's see the total of all these values. 104 plus 120 plus 84 plus 20 plus 32. Now let's see the total. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 2 10, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 8 11, 11 plus 2 13, and 13 plus 3 20, 13 plus 3 16. So we will be writing 6 here and 1 here. So the total is 360. That means our calculations are correct. Now we will be making the pie chart. Now making this as a center, we are marking 104. So making this as a center, we will be marking this. Here it's 104 degree. So we have made this 104. Then taking this as a center, we are making it 120. Here this is 120. Then taking this as a center, we will be making it 84. Making this as a center, we are marking 84. Then taking this as a center, we will be making 20. Okay. This is the center, we are making it 20. So this will be 20. And making this as a center, let's see whether this one is 32 or not. It's exactly 32. Got it? Now let's mark this. This will be 104. This will be 120. This is 84. This is 20, and this is 32. Everything is 360. So this sum is correct. Understood? Now 8-1, you have to do it by yourself. Now we are doing the last one. Given below is the result of an annual examination of a class, showing the percentage of student in each category. First division 25%, second division 45%, third division 20%, and fail 10%. Now we have to make the pie chart. Now tell me, what is the value of percentage? Yes, this is 100. So the total of this is 100. Okay. Or you can do the total of this. So 25 plus 45 plus 20 plus 10. So this will be 0 here. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, and 9 plus 1, 10. So here we get the total. Now we will be solving it. So the first division 25%. So 25 upon 100 into 360. We are reducing this and we will be dividing it by 2. So here it will be, now we are dividing it by 2. So this will be 5 and this will be 36 divided by 2 is 18. Again we will be dividing it by 1 and this will be by 5. So 18 into 5 is how many? 18 5s are 5 are 40. 5 plus 9, this will be 90. 18 5s are 90. Now second one. 45 upon 100 into 360. We are reducing this. Then this will be 5. This will be 18. This will be 1. And this, this will be 1. And this will be 9. So 9 18s are 18 into 9. 9 8s are, yes, it's 72. So 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 7, 16. So this will be 162. Here we get the value. Now third one. 20. 20 upon 100 into 360. We are cutting these values. Here it will be 5. Here it will be 18. Here this will be 1. And this will be 4. So what is the table? 18 4s are, 18 4s are, 4 8s are 32. Here it will be 3. 4 plus 3, 7. So answer is 72. Now the last one. Failed one. 10. 10 upon 100 into 360. So this will be reduced, this will be also reduced, the percentage is 360. So 90 plus 162 plus 72 plus 36. Now what is the total? 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. And 19 plus 7 is 26. So this will be 6 here and 2. 2 plus 1, 3. That means our calculations are correct. Now we have to make the pie chart. So making this as a center, we will be making it a 90 degree, the first one. So this is the 90 degree. Then we have 162. Then making this as a center, we will be making it 162. Where is 162? Yes, here this is 162. So this will be our 162. Then what we have? We have 72. So making this as a center, we will be marking it 172. So here this is 172, sorry. This will be 72. This is 72. And the last one is 36. Let's check whether this is 36 or not. This is exactly 36. Got it? Yes. So this will be 90. This will be 162. This will be 72. And this will be 36. That means this sum is also correct. I hope you have understood this lesson and the sums of all this lesson. Now next exercise, which is 24 point B, we will be doing it tomorrow.